Jai Gurudev students, today I will tell you the history of HTML. Okay, HTML was designed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989, which is now extended to XHTML. Okay, full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Let me describe all these things here. Hyper means a user can link web pages to World Wide Web. Okay. Text means text is anything written in alphanumeric characters. Markup means from formatting and highlighting of text with special tags. Okay. And language indicates the way of communication between web pages with its own tags and rules. Okay. Now, HTML codes are written in any plain text editor like Notepad. Okay. Then the HTML code written must be saved with .html or .htm extensions. Okay. The page so created can be viewed using a web browser. Characteristics of HTML. What are the characteristics? It is easy to understand and flexible to design and modify. Pictures, graphics, videos, sound, and text can be used together. Many formatting effects can be used for powerful web pages. Link helps to connect one page to another page. Okay. Now HTML tags are supported by all the browsers. HTML is not case sensitive, means capital, that is capital head and small head are same. They are creating, saving, viewing an HTML document. Okay, today I will explain you how to create, how to view and how to save an HTML document. Simply use any text editor for creating. Here Notepad or anything, we will be using Notepad. Okay, what is step 1? To start writing on Notepad, go to start. Okay, all programs, then accessories, and then Notepad option will be there. Make a click on that, Notepad window will appear. This is your Notepad window. Then what is step 2? Type the HTML code in the Notepad as shown below. Type HTML code just like this. HTML head, title, my first web page. Okay. Then close the title. For closing you have to put slash. Close head. Then start body tag. This page has been made by me using HTML. Okay. Close body tag and at last you have to close HTML tag. This is the simple basic structure. Then what is third step? After writing the complete code, what you have to do? Click on file, then save as option. Then this window will appear. Appropriate location where you want to save your file, choose from here. Then give suitable title to the file and at last use .html or .htm as extension. What is step 4? जहाँ पर भी आपने सेव किया था, how you will view the web page? Click on start button, then select Internet Explorer option. Now file menu, then select open option, browse, then select the file from the location we have saved. Okay, and click open button. Click on open button. In the open dialog box, the web page will be displayed. Alternatively, we can double click on the file name. ठीक है, आप दोनों तरीके से कर सकते हैं. By default, it will open in our default web browser. Got it? What is step 5? To modify saved file, right click, then open with option will be there. Open with Notepad and again make changes what you want. ठीक है.